What do you think we should get for foliage?
Thinking maybe like oak.
That could be really
Yeah,
pretty.
I saw oak there last week, so I think that could be like a really nice touch, especially for Thanksgiving. Yeah, I think the pomegranates are a really good find. I think that those are really going to help make this. Colors are great. I think it's really appropriate for Thanksgiving.
Hey guys!
Hi. We're so excited to make an arrangement with you today. Come on. Yeah, I think that these flowers are really nice for Thanksgiving, not only for their color, but also bringing in elements that you would actually think of this time of year, this season.
So we're kind of obsessed with that super classic Thanksgiving dinner that you had when you were a kid. So all those kind of Betty Crocker inspired recipes.
Green bean casserole.
Yeah, we like to keep it
potatoes.
classic.
So now that we're gonna start, what I'm gonna do is create my base, or really the parameters that I'm setting for myself with foliage.
Whenever we're at our friends for Thanksgiving, there's always a lot of sangria flowing. I don't think we've mastered the turkey coma.
Yeah, I don't know if there
that's
is
the
a cure,
problem.
right? Because you just keep eating when you're done with it.
I think it's all about that second wind late at night with the leftovers.
So now I'm gonna come in and bring in my high point here, which is this ilex berry that I think is really, really pretty. It's also gonna help us with color too.
One of our favorite places to go, especially around this time of year, we did an opening for the Ludlow Hotel in Lower East Side, right by our apartment. And we love sitting in the kind of garden area by the fireplace and having a martini there. That's probably one of our favorite things to do.
Yeah, definitely.
Especially fitting for this time of year. What is my spirit animal?
I don't know, like a lion or something?
I thought you were gonna say a lizard.
Or a lizard.
I'll take a lion.
As you can see, I have sort of my parameters set with this. I have my ilex berry that's really creating my high point here, and I still have a lot of negative space to play with. So now I'm gonna start by bringing in my face flower, which is this really beautiful sort of corally red amaryllis. A face flower is your larger, more statement flowers that you're using in your arrangement.
We always like to bring in at least one face flower to an arrangement. It just helps really break up some of the smaller flowers and kind of provides a visual point of interest to the arrangement.
So now the next step that we're gonna jump into is bringing in sort of a base filler. And I'm gonna use this carnation for that. And this is also gonna help me sort of blend color together as I'm arranging.
So if you don't have a large centerpiece or a ton of flowers for your Thanksgiving table, we totally recommend, doing a natural runner of greens, maybe some eucalyptus, some fruits could be really interesting. Or a Martha Stewart, probably.
Definitely.
That would be a lot of pressure, though.
Oh yeah, maybe too much.
Probably Carrie Bradshaw, not Sarah Jessica Parker. Carrie Bradshaw.
Yeah. Honestly, Linda Fargo.
Oh yeah.
I would love to have her at my Thanksgiving table. So now I have my sort of filler, my carnation, and now I'm gonna bring in just a few other different like mid-sized filler flowers. So I'm gonna bring in these quicksand roses and just sort of stagger these throughout as well.
I think when we got married, we didn't even know what dahlias were. I assume now there'd probably be a lot of dahlias.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of fruit.
A lot of fruit, a lot of vines.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is add in my fruit. And what I also wanna do is break a couple open and really show that deep red inside. So now we have a nice solid base, and I'm just adding in some smaller gestural specialty flowers. So I'm gonna bring in some of these ranunculus, and also found some great little French tulips at the market that I think will give a nice gesture to this arrangement.
If someone had to play you in a movie, well, people have confused you for Adrian Grenier, so maybe that would be the perfect fit.
Yeah, but definitely Johnny Depp for you, I think.
I'll take that.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have our finished arrangement, and I will show you how we might polish this off with candles, a little fruit, some vine, really have it spilling onto the table.
These antique taper candles are beautiful and add a great touch.
So it's nice when you add candles to kind of have them mixed in with the vine, really incorporate it into your arrangement.
I love this palette so much because it kind of screams the holiday season without feeling too thematic or kitschy at all.
I really hope that you go home and that you try this and really play around and have fun. There are really no strict rules. It's just all about getting some interesting elements and just playing.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.